Today we're in one of the top rated suburbs of LA. Today we're gonna be in the city of Culver City. And what makes Culver City so great is that it checks all of the boxes. I'm talking nightlife, check. Diversity, check. Dining, food, check. Proximity. When I talk about proximity, this place is literally right next to all of the great beach cities. So Santa Monica, Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach. It's probably about 10 minutes away from the airport, which can be a nightmare to get to if you're not this close. So we're gonna do something different today. Today, we're going to take you guys exclusively into one of the listings that my team has, and we're gonna start doing this. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna bring these listings to you before they even hit the market. So let's go check it out, guys, and I promise you, you're gonna be pleased with what you see. If it's your first time at the channel and you want to learn everything that's going on in Los Angeles and cities like Culver City, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications to be the first to learn everything that's going on. Again, guys, my name's Will. The team and I, we get calls, texts, and emails from viewers just like you looking to make the smooth move to SoCal, also looking to buy, sell, and invest, and we absolutely love it. So do me a favor, shoot us a call, send us a text, drop us an email if you're interested in moving to Los Angeles and cities like Culver City. Today, guys, we're in the city of Culver City, and I have an exclusive listing that my team is bringing to the market. You guys are going to see it first, so don't worry. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, just over 900 square feet, built in the 1940s, but you're absolutely gonna love it. It's ground to ceiling windows, so the view is amazing from every room. Also new flooring, the kitchen's been upgraded. So I think you guys are going to love it. But if this doesn't work, we have homes just like this in this market. We just wanna give you guys a taste of what you can get for about $600,000 in the city of Culver City. So let's go right in, guys.